Hey, so we're still in Norway, of course, we're going to be here for ages. But if you have to sum Norway up in like a brief second, this is pretty much it. Absolute natural beauty everywhere. It's incredible. I'm still walking, I'm still going up. Okay, so we're walking down from the summit, and what a view. It's probably one of the best views I've ever seen. Incredible place. So now we're just walking down. Again, it's just gorgeous wherever you look. The whole place, incredible. I love Norway. What a country this is.